back to Kirk Kooks. It is once again Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Pizza Wednesday, and we are once again cooking a pizza from the Ninja Turtles, and it is once again going to be pretty horrific. My good friends are back for this one. The old anchovies are back. I've not really enjoyed any pizza with anchovies on it so far, so this is going to be fun. Topping with the anchovies one is peanut butter. Now, if you remember, the one that made me sick was clams and peanut butter. Now, I don't know if this is going to have a similar effect or not. I mean, anchovies don't quite have that same texture as what clams have, but I'm not looking forward to this one. So, I guess we're going to make a anchovy and peanut butter pizza. Okay, so this now is a dough ball. It's ready to be stretched out. Let's dough. Okay, so peanut butter and anchovies. A little bit of sauce. I'm not going to do a peanut butter base for this one. Sometimes when I do the peanut butter I split it in half and use half as a sauce. I'm not bothering with this one. Bit of cheese. Take our anchovy fillets. Get them spread out. So we just get a big blob of peanut butter and just take bits off of this, spread it all over the place. Then we just get out a final little sprinkling with some cheese. Anchovies and peanut butter ready for the oven. Right, so this is our anchovy and peanut butter pizza. Three Stooges are here again. Looking forward to this one. Not quite sure what's going on with Jason.
It's sunny outside.
Alright. Peanut butter and anchovies. Last time I had peanut butter with fish I puked up. Enjoy, boys, enjoy.
I'll go for that bit. Help yourself.
Well, I got the biggest bit of all the massive chunks of fish on the end of
I
it.
don't think it really matters, does it? You're not going to eat the full slice.
It's just going to be salty in it. It's just going to be a big lump of salty dough. 3, 2, 1, go.
Who had the pepperoni and ice cream? Yeah, I want some of the jelly beans and mushrooms.
Yeah, give me a slice of anchovies and peanut butter.
No.
Yeah, it's a no for me.
That's a no. I don't mind anchovies. I'll try and swallow this bite, but that's it.
Oh, that is so salty.
Yeah, that's a definite no for me.
Oh! Link can't do it, look.
I don't even like peanut butter, so why would I like?
I just don't understand how people could actually eat anchovies on a pizza like as a regular topping.
Well, there's one.
It's just horrible.
There's one.
You're going to eat it?
Not the whole thing, but I've had a couple more bites of it, yeah.
See, this is why I wanted some other people involved, look, because Carl obviously enjoys that, whereas
I don't mind anchovies.
if I'd have been in the house, I'd have just spat that out.
No, didn't get good feelings from that one. I like eating anchovies just out the tin.
Salty, innit?
It's yeah.
Just so salty.
Salty.
Peanut butter didn't make up for it.
No.
Yeah, peanut butter doesn't help, but one too much.
You know what was bad as the peanut butter and clams? It was the texture of the clams when I had that. It's horrible. So yeah, peanut butter and anchovies.
Definitely not.
Not too bad.
And so, we'll catch you next time.
Strawberry surprise pizza with anchovy sauce. Peanut butter and clams.
Anchovies and bananas.